Okay, so to get the histogram, I have my bins, I have my count, and so you go to data analysis and click on histogram. Your input range, I just highlight all of these and I put these in order from smallest to largest. Your bin range, make sure you highlight your bins. And I put new worksheet and chart output and then click OK. And then here is my histogram. So I'm not sure why it's changing yours from 3 to 2. I just would recommend trying those steps again and seeing if you can get this answer. And just let me know if you have any questions.